Give us a little testimonial.
If you knocked it, any signs of cancer out of the body, it was the D answer. Because I've been taking that, for over a year. You know that, man. Come on, look at your records and you'll see. I've been taking D answer for over a year. I think way ahead. This is how I think. I know I was having problems with the prostate.
Did the
Yeah,
answer, do you feel it helps you?
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's all what I'm saying. Remember, I keep telling you, I'm a audit once a month. I'm serious. The letter's right here by my desk. No cancer in your rectum, in your colon, whatever you want to call it. You was on the phone with me, whatever, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. That was my female doctor saying no cancer in your prostate, partner.
You swear by the answer.
Yeah, Ronnie, I would not be saying it, bro. I'm 72 years old Monday. I'm not going to sit on this phone and lie to you like that. No. Remember, I just said it. I'm going to order it once a month. And, of course, you know why I'm ordering it once a month, to fight anything trying to grow. Just like the old people taught us when we was coming up. Prepare for war in time of peace. That's all what I'm doing.
All right, thank you,
I just
Colonel.
told a dude before you called, a friend of mine that's coming by tomorrow to visit with me. We're going to hang out and eat and stuff like that and just kick it. He's old like me. I told him just like I'm telling you. I got a juicer now. He's getting a juicer. His buddy got a juicer because of me. And then I said, let's eat these vegetables. Fruit is okay, but let's eat this green and juice this green. Ain't nobody telling you on TV. I just said it. Ain't no movie star. Ain't no big personality coming on, no football player, none of them on TV. Change your diet. Change the way you think. Let's be better individuals and better collectively. Minister Farrakhan, the Nation of Islam, all those people, ministers, have tried and tried and tried. Yet they are effective, but for the most part, we stupid.
When I first met you, what did we do for you? What did we tell you?
You did good. This is what I'm saying. But all I'm saying, my brother, is nobody big is on TV. And you guys are growing, but you're not on TV, espousing this. I see your videos all the time. And of course, talking to you inspire me and all of that to do better, go better. But, this is not on TV.
Get yours today at jamaicahealthbox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 929-314-0106. Email us at info@jamaicahealthbox.com.